Gentlemen, welcome to the first official Alpha Empire video. All right, so for those of you who are new here, my name is Aaron Marino. The whole premise of this channel is simply to help you realize your true potential and build your personal empire. This channel is all about my true passion, which is entrepreneurship and business. It's what I live, it's what I breathe, it's what's in my DNA. And I'm going to be of value to you. I'm going to teach you. I'm going to show you. I'm going to share with you things that I've learned, things that I've screwed up, things that I've done well. The other reason and the main catalyst to me actually doing and starting this and wanting to share for free my advice, my tips, and what I've learned over the years of starting and running and multiple businesses is the fact that there is an epidemic, in my opinion, of fake gurus, as I call them. People that are trying to get you to buy something from them in order to get a secret, or to get information, or for them to teach you how to make a lot of money, or do whatever they are going to teach you or sell you on how to do. But the truth is that these people have never done shit other than take a course and regurgitate a lot of information and then convince people to actually buy whatever they're selling. Most of these people have zero experience. What they have is a conniving, sneaky, shady business. And this is something that I have a fundamental problem with. And the truth is that they are everywhere. They are literally everywhere. In the age of the internet, fake gurus are everywhere. But there are some great people out there as well that give solid advice that I personally would recommend. 100% of what you need to know is out there for free. It's never been more amazing than right now when it comes to information for starting a business, running a business, scaling a business, growing rich. All right? But when somebody is trying to sell you on that is the goal, that is the ideal, that is what made them happy, and that's how they're going to actually teach you what to do, this is something that it should be like flashing red flags. Whether or not it's high ticket closing, whether or not it's real estate, whether or not it's whatever, it doesn't matter. If it's easy, and it's simple, and they can outline it, and they're going to teach you, this is a flag. This is a warning that they're bullshitting. Do not waste your money on people that are trying to scam you or rip you off by selling you a secret, by selling you an easy way for a solution. The truth is that every single dollar that you're going to make is hard. It's fucking really hard. Every dollar I made has been hard. Every dollar you're going to make is hard. And if somebody tries to say that it's easy and all you got to do is set up this Amazon account and you're going to just fulfill, and look at that, check out my bank account, look at that, gentlemen, stop. It's not true. It may be true for the 1%, a few people, but 99% of the people that are actually buying these courses or these ebooks or attending these seminars are never, ever going to realize what these people are selling or promising. Simple, $100,000 a year extra for regular people, free, like you name it. There are so many people. It's a business. It is a booming business out there. Right? And unfortunately, it spreads like wildfire because we want to think that there's an easier solution. We want to think that it's easy, right? Or that somebody is just going to teach me to follow these 5 steps and boom, I'm going to be wildly successful, have spicy senoritas, vacationing and driving a Lambo. It's not the case, but it's possible because I can tell you, if I did it, you can do it. I'm not smart. I'm not smarter than most people. I'm actually not that. I'm kind of dumb. But I'm a hard worker. And that leaves me to something else I want to talk to you about real quick. And that is hard work beats talent every and any day of the week. You're going to have people out there that are more talented, more skilled, better looking, have access to cash. If you can stay focused and work when it's not sexy and it's not fun, this is what is going to separate the winners from the losers, in my opinion. Sticking to a schedule, getting your ass up when you don't want to. This is what is going to separate the winners from the losers. If you have the ability to not get distracted, if you have the ability to do the work when it's not sexy, it's not fun, you're not getting people saying, great job, Brian, you're amazing, you're awesome, go get it. This is the difference between people that are going to be successful and not. If they say it's easy, it's not. If they say it's simple, it isn't. If they say it's quick, it's not going to be. It takes discipline, it takes hard work, it takes you being smart and you not wasting money. It takes you focusing when it's not sexy and not glamorous. But the truth is that you can do it. I'm a walking, living example of somebody who did. I was broke, I was bankrupt. I'm not anymore. And I also am probably going to talk a little bit more on this channel about my personal finances because I feel like finance and money is a skill that needs to be learned. Unfortunately, when you grow up poor, blue collar, you're not around or surrounded by people that teach you the value of money or how to invest it or what to do with it. There's so many things that I want to tell you, so many things that I want to talk about. Obviously, I can't do it in one video, but I want to get started, and this is the way I wanted to do it. Just to come on and say hello, say thank you so much for being here. I cannot wait to learn from you and you to learn from me and some of the mistakes that I've made and some of the things that I've done right. I'm going to share with you. I'm going to give you for free. I'm not going to ask you to buy anything. There's nothing wrong with information products, but there is something wrong with lying to people about how you position yourself and what you are claiming to be if you haven't done it. It's all about the perception. It's all about being honest and truthful about what you've done in order to achieve or obtain what you have or where you've gotten in life. But if you've done nothing other than convince people that you can help them realize the same thing or get money or rich or girls or whatever quickly and easily, and all you got to do is buy this from me, it's bullshit, and they are a fake guru. Guys, thank you so much for being here. I know this was a little bit all over the place. I promise moving forward, the videos will be a little bit more structured and not as kind of all over the place. But like I said, I just needed to get the first video kind of out and filmed, and I'm excited, so excited to be here. This is something I'm passionate about. Not that I don't love fresh smelling balls, but this entrepreneurship, I love.